about to just go out and just go onto a scene and see what the vibe is today. I don't know what it is, but Ari is about to drive me fucking crazy. In case I forget to do an outfit of the day. So I got on this dress. Looks like this. I was gonna wear like my feet probably ashy. I was gonna wear some black boots, but I think I'm just gonna actually wear my gold heels that I wore with my fuchsia dress that I wore to Sweet Lounge for Erica's birthday. So I think I'm just gonna wear that, and then I'll probably wear my gold moon bag instead. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear today. And then if I don't include the outfit in this video, just follow me on social media. I know for a fact I'm gonna have the outfit that I'm wearing today on social media. So let me finish getting ready so I make sure I'm ready when Travis comes downstairs and I ain't gotta hear his mouth that I'm not ready. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the car. Yeah, I'm going for the scenery, the drinks and stuff. Hey y'all. So we found a cute little spot. Oh yeah, my heels feel so much different. Ooh, it is freezing. Ooh, look at how cute the scenery look. Y'all probably can't see it right now.
Do y'all have one that's like a strawberry flavor? I could do strawberry. Okay, but does it come you want to go get some petrol. It is a little chill at it.
Y'all, that was fun. We'll have to come back again where it's a little earlier. You must have turned the volume, the exposure up.
I didn't try to do that. Look, man, she playing, man. I swear to the heavens above, man. She bullshit, man. I was trying to get in the car, man. She bullshit, man. I ain't fucking with her. I swear to the heavens above. Yeah. Quit playing with me.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. So, y'all know I can't walk in heels for shit, right?
At all.
So, I thought I was gonna, is this the light? So, I thought I was gonna do my big one by putting like some sandal or heel console, foot console, whatever you call this, in my shoes, and girl, it ended up hurting my feet like super bad, so I had to take these out, and actually I'm fine. So is your food cold?
Why, man?
Cause I'm hungry. Shit.
So you was asking me if my food cold so you can eat my shit. Man, come on, man.
No, you got sour cream on your stuff.
Well, we gotta worry about it. We should put them all doing the tavern. But they ain't doing supposed to be balling, no.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move.
I hate my hair. Like, I don't even understand why it keeps falling like this. Like, only one side does right. Anyways, hey y'all, so Ari is out for spring break today, so we have a play date with one of the ladies.
And then I go check a cheese.
Yeah, we're going to Chuck E. Cheese today.
And I draw it.
So we didn't go on a trip for her spring break. I just feel like it's not necessary because we're going to be going places this summer. I just decided to, you know, make sure we do something every day.
And Dragon's in the house.
Yes, I just wanted to make sure we did something every day so that she gets out the house and, you know, kind of enjoy herself a little bit. So one of my friends reached out to me today asking if we could do a play date. So yeah, we're gonna do a play date at Chuck E. Cheese today, and just see how it goes. I decided to do no makeup today because it is 80 degrees outside, and I mean, what's the point of me getting facials if I'm not gonna show my real skin? So yeah, girl, natural face it is today. All right, let's go. Let me get in the car because I got to put her car seat in the other car. So I will see y'all at Chuck E. Cheese.
Where's mine?
Right here. You're gonna drink some of mommy's juice. I think it's mine. You're gonna drink mommy's juice, okay? Me and you gonna share.
I don't want salt.
I know. Mommy's gonna eat some of yours, okay?
Wow.
I know, it looks so yummy.
Like this one. Yay.
Let me go move this car and then we'll get to cleaning the garage. You ready? Bryn.
Ah, boogers.
You got boogers. You gotta go get some tissue again. pick a corner, okay?
Yes.
Let's do this. Yeah, girl. So I did as much as I could do in the garage, which was, I mean, a lot. It wasn't dirty. It was just really unorganized. So I'm gonna look online. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. I'm gonna look online and see if I can find like some shoe organizers or whatever, since we don't wear shoes inside of the house. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean the inside of my house, even though I typically do this on Sunday. I typically clean the inside of my house on Sunday, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do it today. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash the pillow cushions on my sofa. I probably should do that after everybody leave. I probably should do that after, but girl, whatever. Oh, I know. Okay. Ours. On the chair.
Is that Chewy's couch?
That's a chair.
Is it Chewy's and that Chewy's? Is it couch? Watch this big. Watch.
Do it again.
Watch it big.
Okay, now get the other one. This one. Put it on the sofa, on the chair.
Now watch this big. Watch.
Okay, put the other one up there.
Talk shit. Like, get me all riled up off this. She'll tell me that she gonna do this and that to me, and then she go to sleep.
I was waiting on you to get off the game.
Oh, she man, who this is on their phone, man? Hello?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele, oh, them to call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my name.